well, as you can see, these are pretty beat. Today I'm gonna be restoring these today, and we'll see how. Show you the results in the end. I will be using Jason Mark. This is my best option to use to. I mean, it gives me the best results. I do recommend this. And we'll be using their soft brush. This is so it doesn't ruin this upper. And it works really well on the bottom part. So I'll show you guys that in just a sec. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so this is how they look once they are fully washed with the Jason Mark product. As you can see a little bit, I mean, they're not all the way clean, but they do the job. We still got a little more to do. Here's a little close up of that. So, it's like all around the shoe and the bottom. Just little things that happen with the Roshes, so. Yeah, I'll be using this. This is it's basically like a regular eraser, but it's to erase the tough scuffs that won't come out. It works very well, and I'll show you guys the results in just a sec. So here you guys are. I did use this eraser, like I said before, that I was gonna use. And it did mostly all the job correctly done. There's a few things, but all the shoe looks pretty good to me now, compared to how they used to be. So here's how they both were. These are pretty much destroyed as well, from the bottom to top. But yeah, this is how they turn out, and I feel like it turned out pretty good though. So yeah, all you really have to do is just the Jason Mark, the soft brush to make sure that you don't destroy the uppers. Grab a plastic cup, fill it up with not too cold, not too hot water. So you can dampen the brush every time you put some Jason Mark and then you use it on the brush. This is afterwards when you dry it off. You will have like some little fur things from this coming out. So you can just brush that off with this. It's completely dry, so that's all I really use it for. And then afterwards, once the whole shoe is dried off, you could erase the leftover tough scuffs, and you should be good to go. Really happy with my results here, so I'll show you guys both shoes when they're clean. And once again, thanks for watching.